Good morning, everyone. So here I am updating on how to upload your petty cash expenses in the system. So there is an update about the submission of your expense claims and also for the travel expenses. So now we have to concentrate on the expense claims. Number one is it says that business trip expenses. So this is not applicable to us. So number two is unreadable invoice. It says here that we have noticed a significant number of invoices attached to expense claims that are either unclear or handwritten. Please ensure that all invoices are 100% clear and contain all necessary information. This is very crucial, okay, because uploading unclear invoices, unreadable invoices, it will be cancelled or rejected. So make sure when you upload your expense claims, they are readable, meaning they are clear, very clear. Number three, types of invoices. When creating an expense item, it is crucial to select the correct type. We have found that many expenses are incorrectly categorized as miscellaneous expense. Please ensure that expenses are divided according to the type of invoice. If you are unsure, always consult the finance team. Okay, so I want to make clear that when uploading invoices, it is categorized as whatever you have. For example, load allowance, you have to select office expenses. Don't just select whatever you want here. Okay, for taxi invoices, put business expense transportation. For purse or whatever you need, you have to put printing and stationery expenses. Don't just put consumable. For cleaning, you have to put select the cleaning. Okay, if you are paying for electricity, you have to select electricity. Number 4. Okay, VAT invoices. Here, reminder, some invoices included VAT and should be categorized accordingly. Number 1, if the customer name of the invoice is not National Fuel Company, select tax code 0%. Example, this is a kind of invoices where they bought a toner. Okay, sometimes they're asking if you want to claim the VAT. They will ask your company name, which is Petromin, and they will ask you the VAT number. If you don't give the information, they will not put here. But sometimes, for example, for Jarir, they are asking for the company information, company name and company VAT number. Then they will put the customer name here, National Fuel Company, and the VAT. Since this invoice is not mentioned, the National Fuel Company, it says here that select a tax code 0%. In uploading, you can see here, this one, tax 0%. Okay, in my first use details, I ask you to select this one, 15% recoverable. But now they are saying that you have to select 0. Okay, any manual invoices a, should have a tax code of 0%. So always choose 0%. Okay, if your manual invoices, business trip expense should have a tax code of 0 for those who are claiming for their business trip expenses. Taxi or gasoline expenses should have a tax code of 0. So meaning, if you ride Karim or Bolt or Genie or private taxi or Sapco buses or even planes, you have to select 0. That's what they said. Okay, 15% VAT invoices must state National Fuel Company and be related to a station to apply a 15% VAT. Just what I told you here in the first place, the cash customer, it must say here National Fuel Limited Company, and the VAT number must be state in your invoices. And it says that it must be related to station to apply 15% VAT. Okay? For example, this one. Look at this invoice. This is manual. So meaning it is not related to a 15% VAT. Okay? Drinking water. It says here, oh, okay, so this is applicable for number, this one, 15% VAT. Yeah, it is applicable because this is National Fuel Limited Company, if I'm not mistaken. Wait. Okay, so this is National Fuel Limited Company tax number. But the problem here, they don't put the company name, National Fuel Limited Company. So just put 0% if that's the case, okay? Because as per stated here, invoice must state National Fuel Limited Company, which this invoice, they don't state here the company name. Only the company invoice. So always choose 0% for this one. So it's very crucial to select 0% and 15% recoverable. If you're unsure about it, you have to consult to me. Okay, just simply take a picture and then ask me in WhatsApp. Now we will upload our petty cash claims. So first thing you have to do is to log into your Oracle, go to expenses. Okay, create item. Okay, so select the date of your fatura, December 30 for example. So for example, I bought a printing and stationery items. This one, it's very essential to select the correct type. Okay, if you are unsure, you have to ask me. Printing and stationery items. For example, I bought 100 real. And then, just put the description. Paper, I bought paper, pens, clips for office use. Okay. Next is the tax code. I will just select 0% here because I just bought in Bacala or in Kamsa Kamsa or wherever. Then merchant name, Kamsa Kamsa. Okay, if the Kamsa Kamsa is, if you bought that one in Kamsa Kamsa. Then tax number, no need. Okay, don't select anything here, don't select anything here, don't select anything here. If the invoice have 0%. However, as per the email advice, if your invoice have a 15% VAT, invoices must state national fuel company and be related to station to apply a 15% VAT. Just like this fatura, if they put national fuel company here and our VAT, then the 15% is applicable. Now let's proceed in uploading our invoice attach. Okay, I have to make sure that the invoice which I am about to upload is very clear. This is very crucial. They said that all details must be clear. Okay, so I have to double check my fatura and simply drag my attach file here. Kalas. So it's already attached. If I have a lot of fatura, I will create more. If I'm done, I will select save and close. Save and close. Done. So I will select this one and create report. Purpose, HO petty cash claims. Okay, HO petty cash claims. If you are in the station, for example, you are in Dawadmi or Hera petty cash claims. Don't don't forget to put your station name in the purpose. If you are in Bawadi, just put Bawadi. If you are in exit 14, just put exit 14 petty cash claims. Okay? That is very important. Why? So that your line manager can automatically know where is this located from. When you are done, just put submit. Okay, submit. Okay, this is very crucial also. Look at this one. Apply cash advance. Since I have a cash advance worth 10,000, okay, 9,383. If I want the money to return, I will put don't apply. And then there is a pop-up message here. Just put no. Okay, no. And then press tab. Kalas. Then submit. However, if you want to use this 352 real to close your advance petty cash, you have to select this one. That means 152 will be used to close some of my petty cash advance, which is 9,383. Then, if I want to apply, just click submit. Okay? I hope that is very clear. And print the report. Attach this to your fatura. Attach here. And then submit to your line manager or to head office.